Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to remove suntan in summer and also get a whitening, fresh, smooth skin at home. So in this purpose I need turmeric powder, yogurt and rose water. So let's start how to I make this. Friends, I take a spoon and a small bowl to mix it. Then I first take yogurt 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 to 2 pinch, rose water 1 tablespoon, yogurt is so much effective to reduce your suntan, acne spots, blackheads and glowing skin to get you instantly, and rose water helps to get a glowing face. Friends, this is ready and I will show you how to apply this. I take a brush. Now I apply this face mask my hands. You can use this face mask your face, neck, hands and legs that your skins get suntan to remove this suntan's problem. So take this and apply this way. Turmeric powder helps to remove your skin rashes problem and get a smooth, whitening, bridal look. Yogurt is so much effective of our skin and health. In suntan problem in summer, you can use this plain yogurt your skin to remove your suntans. Friends, then leave it 15 minutes to dry and after 15 minutes later, wash your skin with cold water. Friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.